Hey guys, welcome to today's training. This is your host, the Alpha Smart Wolf Club himself, and we are going to be going live again every day. For those of you who want to trade live with us, you can join. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, the YouTube channel, Smart Wolf Club, and also make sure you join our Smart Wolf Club community. The link is in the description, guys. And for those of you who are live, it's on the chat box. Go ahead and join, and you need the following tools. For those of you who are going through our binary options trading masterclass, you make sure you have a Pocket Option account, because we're going to be doing most of the demonstrations and most of the live tradings. We're going to be using our students' accounts, and they are going to be on Pocket Option. So go ahead and do that. Those of you who are going with through Forex trading, again, make sure you have a TradingView account, because this is where we're going to be doing our chart analysis and so on and so on. And we're going to put all the links in the description, guys. Okay, so let's jump into the trading. I'm going to show you one of the best 1 minute trading strategy. This is the only strategy you need for beginners and even for some of you advanced students. So let's go to one of my students' account. But before we go there, let me put a disclaimer. The results I'm going to show you guys, they are not typical. Okay, it's a lot of hard work and learning the skills. Okay, these are not get rich quick schemes, and whatever I'm going to show to you guys is not financial advice, professional advice. If you need that, you can find that somewhere else. And who are we? We are the Smart Wolf Club. Some of us have been online since 1998. Yes, 1998, many years. Okay, so anything online, we've been there, been done that. And most of you are asking me, what do we have to provide in the Smart Wolf Club? Okay, so if you click the link where it says join the Smart Wolf Club, if you click the link that says join the Smart Wolf Club, you're gonna come to this page. Let me get done with this, and then we're gonna jump into the training. Okay, you're gonna come to a page like this. So it's just gonna need your first name and your email address. Join the masterclass. Once you do that, then you're going to find yourself here. And over here, we have our binary options trading masterclass. Okay, you can join that. If you're into Forex trading, you can join that. If you're into stocks trading, you can join that. Digital marketing, you can join that. Crypto trading, you can join that. And if you just want to learn how to create wealth online, then you can get this bundle here. This is going to teach you everything that you need to know about growing your wealth and investing, personal finance, and of course the new financial markets. Okay, so this is total, this is everything right here. Okay, so go ahead and grab those, and we will see you in class, guys. Now you see, I told you I'm going to keep it very short. Okay, now before we start trading, let's say a word of prayer. In the belief of the power of the Almighty, we pray that whoever is going to trade is going to be successful, and whoever is going to learn this strategy is going to be successful. May the markets be good to us. Okay, guys, let's go. So once you have your Pocket Options account open, here is one of my students' accounts. She is on here. She's on this live. She is camera shy. And as you guys can remember our previous training, we had our live where we grew this account to 293. This account started from $100. The goal is to get this account to 20,000 in 6 months or less. Okay, this is a $100 to the 20,000 US dollar challenge. So all our students go through this. So when you join our Smart Wolf Club Trading Masterclass, we're going to put you through these challenges, because this way you're going to learn while you make money, learn while you earn. Okay, so remember the key strategy. If you don't remember the key strategy, please go watch the videos in our playlist, because right now I'm just going to take the trades and we're going to call it a day. We're going to keep this as short as possible. Okay, we are doing a live, and the next live, our lives are usually about 1 hour to 2 hours, but this one is going to be really short, because I just want to show you guys something, that the best 1 minute trading strategy, and we're going to be using this to continue trading, and we're going to combine this with our KISS strategy. If you guys don't remember what the KISS strategy is, then you can just come here and revisit our previous trading. So KISS strategy is a keep it simple stupid strategy that we use to trade Forex, we use it to trade binary options, we use it to trade stocks, we use it to trade crypto. We just tweak it tweak it a little bit so it can serve the purpose for whatever we are trading for that day. So a lot of our students have gone through all our trainings, they've been to all our master classes, and they're making money using the key strategy, because we try to keep it very simple. So for this case here, this student has a target daily profit of 3%, and she's using a 1% trading rule, using a modified martingale strategy with a 2.5x, and we are using the marvelous, wonderful hedging strategy. This is to make sure you don't lose or blow your accounts. And of course, we employ the compound growth strategy. That's why this account is growing from $100 to $293 in just a few sessions. Okay, guys. So with that, I'm going to jump into the training. Now, if it doesn't make sense to you, go and watch our previous training. We break this down. We've done this. Or if you want somebody to help you one-on-one, one of our coaches, and we have coaches from all over the world, join our masterclass right here. This one right here, binary options trading masterclass. Okay, and you're going to go through this strategy in and out. We break it down, make it so simple. Okay. So the first trade here we're going to take is, so we have to make sure that this is 1 minute. Okay, so we're going to make our trade 1 minute, and we're going to start with the 1% of this account. So 1% of 2 is 293. If you don't know that, you can just bring a calculator here. Okay, guys, I'm zooming through this because we have done this so many times. So 1% of 293. Okay, see the account is just 293.56. 0.56 times 1%, guys, you can see that is 293. Actually, it's 294 because we round it off to the nearest decimal places. Okay, so our first trade is going to be 294. Our second trade is going to be 294 times 2.5, so it's going to be about 7.33. So you must have a notebook, okay, where you're going to write these things down. So we're going to write that down. 7.33, that's our second level trade. Our third level trade is going to be 18.35. We are rounding off to the nearest 2.5, I mean the nearest 2 decimal places. And then we have 45.87. And then the final one, this is the fifth level trade, is 1114.67. We never want to get to that fifth level, guys. We never want to get to that. That's dangerous stuff. Okay, so right now we are ready to go. Not yet. We need to find our target for the day. So using the key strategy here, our target daily profit is 3% for this student. So some of you guys are big risk takers, so you're gonna target more. I know we have students who target up to 5-10%. Okay, so this is 293.56 times 103%. So that should be giving us 3%. Okay, so we are looking for 302.37. Okay, I'm writing those things down. That's why you see me looking on the side. Okay, now sometimes we write them right here. You can bring up a notepad and you can do that, but I don't want to do that right now. I write it on the book so I can be looking at it on this side. Okay, so we are ready to get started. And then of course you come here. This is Pocket Options, guys. You can go and get a free demo account. Use the link I'll put in the chat box in the description. Go ahead and use that link. And of course, when you use the link, you get 50% bonus on your deposit. So that means if you put $100, they give you $50 extra. You're going to be trading with $150. But read the terms of the bonuses, because some people come back and say, oh, the bonus has some strings attached to it. Of course, the brokers want to make money too. So anyway, here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the assets that are paying the most. So we're going to remove the ones that are paying less than 92%. We are trading the OTCs and they're very volatile, very risky. That's why we are using only 1% of our account. So you come here, look for currencies, and we're going to favorite some of these, and we're going to analyze them really quick and start taking the trades. Okay, so here we go. So we have that. We have that. So I'm just looking at these guys. The 1 minute strategy. So this is 1 minute right here. The candles are 30 seconds. And this indicator here is the moving average, the famous one, 8 EMA. That means the type of the moving average is exponential moving average. Okay, not the SMA, not the WMA, not just EMA 8. And here the color is green. You can make it thicker if you want, 3 pixels, whatever you like. Okay, so you can see each candle here is 30 seconds, and you can come here and just change the time, and of course enable the timer so you can see, because most of the time we enter the trades when a new candle forms. So we are ready to go, guys. So the first thing you're going to do is, because it's called the key strategy, you're going to zoom out and zoom in on this pair NSD USD. So we are looking at it right now. You can see it's typically showing an upward trend. You know, guys, you can see it's showing an upward trend. So that means we're going to be looking for what? For call options. Okay, now even though you can see it's going down, but generally you can see the ultimate trend is an upward trend. Okay, so at some point these are going to start going up. Okay, so, and then why is the moving average important? It's important because we only enter when the moving average, when the candles cross the moving average and they close above the moving average, and the second candle is when we enter for 1 minute. Okay, if we're going for a call option. For a sell option, the same story, the reverse. Okay, if it closes below, we enter the second one, and you can see if we entered here, we would have been in the money. Do you guys see that? If we had entered here, we would have been in the money. So right here, there was 2 trades that we could have taken and made money. Okay, so right now, let's look at another pair. Now, guys, if you don't understand this, if I'm moving so fast, guys, you're gonna watch the replay. Okay, watch it several times, watch it many times, so that you can, you know, because I'm zooming through this because we've done this so many times for so many years, and a lot of our students go through our trainings. And if you want that hand holding, we have a training for you that you can go through at your own pace, and you can watch that as many times as possible, because you can see whatever you're going to pay is just gives you a whole year of access to the training, and you can renew that, because every week we have a new training for you, because these things are dynamic. The markets are changing, so every week we have new trainings for you to keep you in the loop, guys. Okay, so now you can see here again, this is an upward trend. So as we said, we're looking at the candles closing above the 8 EMA. So right now there's a candle here. If you guys want to see, I'm going to zoom out. You can see this candle is going above. So let's see if the second candle is going to be, yes, it did. So we're going to enter on the second candle, and I did for 1 minute. Okay, so let's see if it's going to close. If it doesn't close in the money, we're going to go to our second level trade, which was a 7.33. 7.33, right? And you know, guys, remember our goal is 302.37. That is our goal. Once we hit that, we get out of the market. Okay, now this one is in the money, guys. You can see that. Okay, you can actually see that's in the money, but there's no guarantee, because it does seem like there is a resistance level here. Okay, so this looks like a resistance level. So if we lose this, no big problem, guys. We are not going to blow our account. We're just going to not double, we're going to multiply this by the factor, the martingale, the modified martingale factor of 2.5. But right now you can see it's still pushing up, because I strongly believe this is going to go up, but we can always be wrong. We don't control the market. This is OTC. The brokers can take the money whenever they want, and boom, we won our first trade, guys. So we're going to go look at another pair. So if we win, we just go back to where we started, which was 2.94. We only go risk more if we are trying to hedge our loss. Okay, so guys, we are a bit late on this one, because you see the second candle has already formed, and so we were a bit late, so we cannot get in there. You want to jump in as soon as, okay, here you go. So let's see if this closes above. No, it didn't. Okay, it did. Okay, if this closes above here, we're going to enter in the second candle. Okay, so let's wait for this, guys. There's a few seconds left, 19 seconds. If it closes above this, the second candle comes, we are going to jump for a sell. No, for a call trade. Okay, we are going to go up for a call trade, guys. There we go. And we are coming live, guys, from just right here, and there we go. We are in, and let's cross our fingers. Okay, let's hopefully it's not gonna burn our fingers. If it does, no big deal, no problem. Everything is under control, and we prayed. You know, we need prayers. Somebody's helping us. We prayed. Okay, So guys, you can see this is going down. It does seem like here there's some resistance here, but I strongly believe this is going to push up. Let's see. There we go. It is pushing up. You can see it's pushing up. Guys, I'm trading live, okay? So your guess is as good as mine. The only advantage I have is probably the experience, okay? So now this is in the money at the moment, but it's coming up down really fast, but let's see. It's very volatile. You know, we're trading the OTCs. OTCs are crazy, and oh yeah, you see already. So they're going to take the money. So what do we do now? We're going to continue in the direction that we know it is going up. So we're going to hedge our trade with the 7.33, and we took an upward trade, which is a call option. And if we lose that, we're going to go to 1835. Okay. Still in the same direction, because we strongly believe this is an upward trend. It may have changed directions, but we strongly believe it's going to be an upward trend. Let's see. You can see here it's acting crazy, but this is OTCs for you. Okay, so we still strongly believe that at some point it's going to start going up. Okay, it might not be right now, but it will go up eventually. Let's see. Let's look at that. Okay, so we're going to lose that one. And if we lose that one, we are going to jump in the trade with, there we go. So we jumped in for a call option because we believe it's going to go up. If we lose that one, we are going to the next one, which is 45.87, guys. And that is our 1 minute strategy. Okay. So it has run away from us. Okay. It has strongly run away from us. And it is strongly going down, 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 down. When I start getting to these big numbers, then it scares us because we can blow our account, but we don't want to blow our account. So what are we going to do? We're going to take a look at this and see what is going on. You can see it is not so far away, but the forces are pushing it down. We're just hoping that it will hold this and continue going up. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. And booyah, it did. We did win that, and we hit our target, guys. Okay, our target was 302.37, and you can see it is 302.87. So we took 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. We won 2 and lost 2. Okay, you don't have to win all your trades. This is what I tell all the losers. This is what I tell all the beginners. This is what I tell all the people who blow their accounts. You don't have to win all your trades, especially when you're trading binary options, because binary options is very risky. Okay, you just need to manage your risk properly. So guys, we just made money. Okay, we started from the 250. What was that? What was it, guys? You remember the number? This one here, 293.56, and our goal was 302. That's the one. That's the 3%. Okay, that's the 3% that we need every day to compound our account. Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna be looking for, in our next live, we're gonna be looking for this, and you don't want to miss the live, guys. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification, so you can be informed when we go live with our students. Okay, so this is 302.87. Sorry, so it's 302. Come on, guys. Something wrong. Okay, 302.87 times 103%. So tomorrow we'll be looking for 311.95. You see, it starts getting interesting. The numbers start growing bigger and bigger. So right now, how much money did we make? So from 293 to 302, that's about $10. Okay, $10 in 4 minutes. Okay, so that means if we continue playing here for, let's say if we are trading for 1 hour, in 4 minutes we made $10. Okay, you know, our students we cater for students from all over the world. We have students here who live under $1 per day. Mr. Singh is on here from Bombay, India, one of our coaches. He's been with the Smart Wolf Club for over 17 years. He has lots of students on here. These guys, some of them live under $1. under $1 per day. So if you show them how to make $10 in 4 minutes, you have changed the entire trajectory, lifestyle, and everything. Okay, guys? So I'm going to end the live here, and this is all I'm going to ask you. If you want to learn these strategies, join some of our classes. The link is in the description where it says join the Smart Wolf Club. You're going to land on this page here, put your name and your email address. That allows you to get into these master classes here, because this is exclusive. This is not for everybody. Not everybody is going to want to go through this. I know most people don't like changes. Most people don't want to take action. If you don't take action, nothing is going to happen. You're going to be the same tomorrow, and you're going to be crying and saying this doesn't work for you. You're going to blame the government. You're going to blame your grandmother. You're going to blame the education system. You're going to blame your boss. But the problem lies squarely with you. That's why some of us have decided to take action. That's why some of us are doing this, is because we want to take action. We want to change our lifestyle. We want to change our family's lifestyle, and we're going to enjoy the freedom, location. I can trade anywhere. If you watched our previous videos, I showed you we're trading at the airport. As long as there's a Wi-Fi, it only took me 4 minutes to make over $10. Okay, you can see that. You don't have to win all the trades. You don't have to. Just manage your risk. Everything you're doing online here is risky. Anything you do is risky. You can blow your account. You can lose all your money. But just follow the strategy. Follow the rules. The rules are very simple. Anybody, my 16-year-old can do this. My 99-year-old grandmother can trade this key strategy. Very simple rules. I'm going to show you how you could have used those on Forex. Look, yesterday, those of you who were here yesterday, did you see me draw this yesterday? I told you NVIDIA, we brought this stock. Actually, this is not Forex even. It was stock. We do this for stocks, Forex. So this is stocks, right? We picked a stock, NVIDIA, yesterday, and we are using the 8 EMA. No many indicators, only one. We're not even using any bots. 15 minutes. Took a trade here. Look at it. My student, one of my students took the trade. Look at it. Look at where it is right now. She can actually close this trade in profit. Close that trade in profit. Massive profit, guys. Okay? So let me show you if you're doing Forex. Same story. Let's say we are doing GBP USD, for example. Whatever pair you pick. Doesn't matter. Or gold. Most people trade gold. We trade a lot of gold, okay? Okay, look at this. Look at that one now. Look at where let me show you the 8 EMA. You see where it is? It crosses, the candle closes above. So you enter the trade here. Look at what I'm showing you guys. See how simple this thing is. People make trading so complicated. It's very, very simple. You enter the trade on the opening of the new candle right there. If you did, look, ratio of 1 to 1. You don't even need to put the stop loss because you can use hedging. Okay, if the thing turns against you, you just take an opposite trade. You don't need a stop loss. You don't need a take profit. Okay, you can just close your trade as soon as you see here. You see here when it crosses the 8 EMA right there, you can just get out of the market if you want to. You can get out of the market, or even right now, you still stay in the market. You can continue until you see a doji. Do you see a doji candle anywhere? Not yet. So maybe it's not time to get out of the market. Do you guys see that? I do not see a doji, so I'll continue trading. I'll let this run. Okay. Whenever it crosses when the candle closes below the 8 EMA, the second candle, see this candle closed below, the second candle here, you could enter for a short. You enter a short. So it will be a matter of entering for longs and shorts. You're hedging your trades, okay? But only a few brokers allow you to do that. And if you want to know which broker allows you to do hedging, hit me up, okay? I'll share that information with you, or you can join our Forex Trading Masterclass. All these things I explained. Now, these classes fill up very quickly, and they're very, very competitive. Sometimes you go here and you find that the class is closed temporarily because we have a cohort that is already full. We have so many students. We have so many coaches all over the world. If you go to Japan, Tokyo, Japan, for example, you're going to meet Tajimoto. He's been with us for over 17 years. If you go to the United States, for example, Atlanta region, Mr. Baker, he's been with us for over 15 years. You go to New York, Rosemary, I mean, Anne-Marie has been with us for over 15 years. You go to Toronto, there's Rosemary. She's been with us for over 15 years. You go to Vancouver, Canada, Mary, she's been with us over 12 years. You go to Sacramento, California, Jose. You go to South America, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, beautiful beaches, Ipanema. This guy trades at the beach sometimes. Rodrigo's with a lot of students. He's been with us for over 17 years. These are some of the coaches, very, very successful individuals that they're successful in whatever they do online. Forex, crypto, stocks, binary, digital marketing, just name it. They've been there, they've done that. We have attended the seminars. We continuously attend those seminars. We attend the webinars. Any training, we've been there, been done that. Some of the gurus you see online, we have trained. Why are we not known? Because we've been underground for many years. During the pandemic, we decided we're going to help the masses. And that's why we're here helping you. So help us to help you guys. Now, I'm going to end this streaming, this live trading right now. And if you have any questions, just leave comments in the chat box. Make sure you join the groups. If you have personal questions that you need attention, we are here to help you guys, okay? We are looking for at least 1,000 people this year to get them to a point where they can put bread and butter on their tables for their families. We are looking for people who can afford what we call location freedom, so you can work from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Guys, if you are listening from Africa, go to Cape Town, South Africa. We have Malemala with a huge group. If you're from West Africa or Moses, Lagos, Nigeria, over 15 years doing this. If you're from Australia, Sydney, Australia, Josephine, she's been doing this with us for over 17 years. Some of our coaches, these are some of our coaches. There are many. If you combine their years of experience, it's over 1,000 years. Some of these guys have been online since 1998. I tell you, the internet is more than 30 years old. That's what most of you guys forget. So some people have been doing this for many, many years, some of us, okay? So it's a lot of experience that we're sharing with you. And what we're providing is not financial advice, and these are not get-rich-quick schemes, because I know some of you see these numbers and you think you can come here, put your $10 and become a millionaire tomorrow. No, that is lottery, okay? It's not lottery, it's not gambling, okay? You can go to Vegas for that. And the risk is there. So these are not get-rich-quick schemes. This is something you have to understand. It's a process. You guys can see that. We are looking for just 3% for this student every day. Now, I do have some students who are more ambitious. They go for, let's say, 5%. I do have students who are less ambitious. They're scared of taking risk. They do 1%. Some even look for 0.5%. It's just going to take you longer to get to your goals. But Rome was not built in one day. It's a step. It took 100 years to build some of those cities. So why do you want to just come in here 2 days later, you want to make $1 million? It's not going to happen. You're just going to blow your account. You'll get frustrated and you start crying. You can see that here. We traded. This student has traded. Okay. So guys, do you have any questions? Do you guys have any questions? Let me see. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? You want us to play some music? You want us to play some music? Any questions? I'll be playing music while I wait for your questions. Any questions? Guys, any questions? That's kind of nice. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Any questions, guys? Okay, in the next live, we're going to be trading again the same. Now, some of you are into digital marketing, like where you take $1 and make it 10x, learning some of the strategy. We show those in the digital marketing. But we're going to have some lessons for you. I'm going to show you how some of you are into YouTube marketing. We're going to show you how you can easily take your channel from literally and grow it, okay? Using some of the strategies. And I know some of you are asking, oh, how come the Smart Wolf Club channel this is our training channel, okay? So we're going to show you some YouTube channels that we have that have massive followings, grown using what we call digital marketing principles. Some very simple, free techniques, free resources, artificial intelligence, and some just free resources that you can use. Just use free resources. It's just simple. We're just regular guys. If you cut me here, I'm gonna bleed, guys. I'm just a regular person. I'm not robotic. You can see this is me. So some people say, oh, you're robots. Look, I'm not using AI here. This is just me talking. Okay? Yeah, I can see somebody saying you're a robot. No, this is me. This is really me. Okay, guys, I think that's enough for the day. You can see the results are right here. They speak for themselves. All you need is the confidence, because most people lack beginners don't have confidence, and we let the greed take over. You get so greedy, you get so greedy, and what happens? You blow your accounts. Okay, man, let's cut off the music. Okay, let's go. Let's rock. While you guys are, I'm waiting for your questions. Nobody has a question. Everybody's happy. All right. So are you guys promising me that you're gonna watch this again and again and practice that strategy? I explained it. If you don't understand, go and watch the playlist. These are massive number of videos, like 42, 40, 50. It talks about the key strategy. Go and watch from video number 1. Okay. And if you need help, if you still need help, if you're still not making any money, either in Forex, because we can tweak this for Forex, just like I did. I just showed you the 8, how we use the 8 EMA to take trades in Forex, and you can see they're all in the money right here. This was a trade in the money. 15 minutes, you can be a scalper. 15 minutes is just come in, 1 hour, you're done. 2 hours, you're done for the day. And we're gonna show you how to do your risk management here, what type of lot sizes you should get in. It doesn't really matter, because we're not going to use any stop loss or any. We are basically using the ATMA to get in, and we're going to just use a basic candle analysis. Okay, we're going to look at where there's a doji. Do you guys know what a doji is? A doji is this undecided candles, you know, very skinny. There are different types of dojis. There's a gravestone doji. There's a dragonfly doji. So a gravestone doji would be something like that, very thin. You see, like a thin candle, like really an indecision. You see, like a so like you see that one here is a dragonfly. You know the dragonfly, how it looks. Yeah, so these things are now. If you want to learn all those, yeah, we go through those in our trainings, Forex. Yeah, so yep. So we're here to help you guys. Okay, just help yourself. You see, like that one there. Once you see that, you get out of the market. This tells me to get out. I'll close my trade here and wait, then enter the trade here. Okay. And write it up all the way again until Timbuktu. All right, guys, let's go back and remove that music. It's too much. Okay. All right, guys, let's end this with a prayer. In the belief of the power Almighty, we pray that whoever is going to apply this training will be successful. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow during the streaming, okay? So we stream every day. So you can actually join us and bring up your, some of the smart students, they join our live stream and they bring up their pocket option and they take the exact trades that we do. When I say I'm in, you enter. When I say out, you're out, and you do that. You can make money while you're learning. So just be active, guys. Okay. So just make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification. You'll be told when we're gonna put the next stream, and we are streaming the same time. Okay. For those of you, it's 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna end this now.